Sounds for Letters of the Alphabet by Susan Grover. A is for apple. Apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fish. Fish. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for juice. Juice. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for no. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for pig. Pig. Q is for question. Question. R is for ring. Ring. S is for sun. Sun. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for van. Van. W is for watch. Watch. X is for box. Box. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zoo. Zoo.